Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a review on the brand new lawnmower that we purchased at Lowe's. I do have a separate video when we did the unboxing on that lawnmower. So I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like after we mow the yard. And also I'm gonna show you that our grass is very tall, or kind of tall, because it hasn't been mowed for about 2 weeks now, because we went on vacation and we just got home a week ago, and we were gone for a week, so it's about over 2 weeks that we haven't mowed the grass. So it looks very nice, very clean. The cut is very clean. And my son stopped for a moment. He's eating right now, but this is the area where he already mowed, and he cut it short this time. So this is the first time that we use the lawnmower. So far it's very good. We're happy with it. And see the other side of the grass, that's pretty high. So this is the lawnmower. So today is the first time that we used it, and after the front, my son is gonna go to the back of the house and continue mowing, so we can cut our grass in the backyard also. So my suggestion, it's better to cut your grass while it's not too high. Don't wait for it to get taller before you decided to cut it, because there's a tendency that the lawnmower will like stop in the middle of mowing because it got clogged or something, because the grass is so high or so tall. So that's the only bad side. So I will recommend my son to mow it every week, like every Saturday. So yes, so far it's doing really good. So the grass is not perfectly cut. He's still learning how to mow. He's been mowing it for years, but he's 14 years old, so it's not gonna be all perfect. So it's so sunny outside, but I like it. It cuts clean and it's not heavy. My son said the lawnmower is light, so it's not hard for him to push. Alright guys, I will make a separate video later, and I'm gonna compile all the video for this review. Is it easy? Is it easy? I'm doing a review on this one. grass right now, it's kind of short, so it's very easy to cut. So yeah guys, so far we are satisfied of this lawnmower. So seems like it's very easy to use. It cuts really good. So far everything is good, so we're happy. Alright guys, I hope this is helpful. Thank you all so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye guys.